Today we're going to share with you some of the free designs that Christine and I thought would add to your placemat pack. And they are napkins. Very simple to do, totally stitch out on your machine. A great addition to your placemats. The first one is the grapes, a pineapple, which is my favorite, pear, and today we'll show you how to do the watermelon. The first thing you're going to do is hoop some good quality tearaway stabilizer. Then you're going to stitch out your placement. This is the placement for the corner of your napkin. I have placed the napkin within the placement lines and I have taped it down securely. The first stitch that's going to be stitched out is a basting stitch so that the napkin adheres to the tearaway. We programmed a basting stitch so that you can remove it easily. Now the first stitching for the actual watermelon starts now, and we have red bobbin and red top. I have changed my bobbin and my top thread to white, and we are going to stitch out the rind part of the watermelon. I have changed the bobbin thread to green and the top thread to green, and now I will finish stitching the rind. I have changed the bobbin to black and the top thread to black, and now we will do the seeds. The machine will stitch out the seeds. Voila! You have a watermelon napkin.